Alright, now that we have set up a couple of basic settings for your assistant, let's take a quick look at where you can manage and customize those settings in the future. So after you're done with the onboarding, you'll be able to view all your assistants right here under My Agents. Now let's click on Edit. Here you'll see the basic settings like your bot's name, business name, and you can even change the bot's language right here. This next section is super important and really cool, so it's good to spend a little time here in Bot Instructions and Guidelines. This is where you can customize how your voice agent behaves. We actually pre-fill these for you based on your website and business info. So right from the start, you already have a setup that's tailored to your company. Each agent comes with a set of instructions and guidelines that tell it how to handle different types of calls. Things like greeting the caller, providing different information, sending links by text, or taking messages. So for our little example here, we have a realty company, so a warm greeting, and they might have their bot then confirm if the caller is inquiring about buying, selling, rentals, property management, or general questions. Of course, all these will be tailored to your business with your own information and preferences. Another general guideline might be something like this. You want your bot to be able to help callers search listings by area, property type, price range. As you can see, you can customize these however you want. You can also click Add to create your own instructions. For example, to include office hours, location, or any other details you might want your bot to know. Okay, below that, you'll find the greeting, communication style, and voice settings. These control how your agent sounds. There are tons of different options of voices and tones, so take some time and play around and tailor it to what best fits your business. Okay, next, let's take a look at the skills section. So let's come over here to skills. This is where you define how your agent responds in specific situations and when the caller says or asks for certain things. In this example, you'll see a few pre-filled skills like connect to an agent, free home valuation, and take a message. Connect to agent is triggered by phrases like speak to an agent or can I talk to someone? So when your caller says that, your bot responds with I'll connect you to our office now, one moment please. Now you could also make this a little bit more personal. For example, Andrea is the point of contact listed, so we can just change our office to Andrea. Super easy to edit. Okay, next, free home valuation. So in your case, think about a very common request that your business gets. Maybe lots of people inquire about a certain service, so your agent can provide them with the relevant information, link, and even offer to send it by text. And of course, take a message. This one handles callback requests, so if the bot hears things like, can I leave a message or call me back, it knows how to respond and what information to take down. So that is how the skills section works. Each one includes example phrases that the virtual agent can recognize and the exact response it will give. Everything's pre-filled based on your business to save you time, but also fully customizable so you can make it sound exactly like your team.